go to the line baseline เปิดไลน์ขึ้นมาเลย baseline ติดไหมเยอะไหมขึ้นไลน์นะอันนี้ก็ได้อันนี้ตัวอะไรS Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? So,
Yes,
send you? Only you? Where is Mr. Cherry?
Yes, Ajahn.
Huh?
Yes, Ajahn.
Now two students?
I think one student.
Huh?
Second is who is second student?
Cherry. You see my screen? You see the book?
Yes.
See?
Yes, Ajahn.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
Ajahn.
Now we start.
Okay, Ajahn.
I read for you after you try, okay?
Yes,
Okay.
Ajahn.
Review. ทบทวน review mean ทบทวน Yeah, ทบทวน mean you go back to study again to remember, okay? To remember. Yeah. Okay. I read for you. บทที่1มานีฮะ
Yes, Ajahn.
Okay. Money. Okay. I need some drawing. Okay. I need some drawing. Where what color I like? Okay, green color. Okay. Money มีตา
มีตา
Yeah. กามีตา Okay, you say Sanju. You say.
บทที่1มานี
Yes.
มีตา
Yes.
กามีตา
Okay, I have the question.
Yes,
Question mean คำถาม mean the question. Okay. ผมมีคำถาม I have the question. Okay. Me, what's it mean me?
Me.
Yes. Yeah. ตา
eyes.
I. In another meaning?
Another meaning grandfather.
Good. Very good. Ka, what meaning?
Ka means crow or cattle.
Yeah.
Cattle bottle.
Yeah. Ka is the crow. Okay. Crow.
Yes.
Yeah, crow. Ka mean the crow or the blackbird. Okay. Very good.
Yes,
Okay, I show you again. มานีมีตากามีตา Okay, very good. This is money. Money is a girl. Yeah, her name money. Okay. Young girl, young lady. Okay, money. This is the crow. The crow. We say ka. 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 The crow or the blackbird. Another meaning you remember? Another meaning ka. What?
Kitchen.
Kitten.
Kitchen. Bottle.
Yeah.
Kettle bottle.
Kitten for water.
Kitten.
Yeah, kitten. Okay,
Yes.
good, very good. Kitten. Another meaning. But meaning here mean the crow. Okay, next.
Crow.
Yeah, the crow. Amita. Amita. Okay, send you you read. อ่าน send you อ่าน
Amita.
Yes. What mean Uncle. Yeah, very good. Uncle has eye. Okay, meaning. Okay. Uncle. Okay, good. Very good. Review ทบทวน review. Okay, next. แบบฝึก
Practice.
Yeah, practice or exercise. Yeah,
Exercise,
practice. Yeah, practice. ให้อ่านว่า อ่าน mean read. Meaning you need to read that ตออาตา Yes, I want to change the pen. Small pen, very small. Okay, really thick. I like thick. Okay, yeah. Better. Yeah, okay. I like this. Yeah. Oh, very good. ตออาตา ตอ is a consonant. Vowel. Put together. Ta. This only consonant. This only vowel. And we put vowel and consonant together. You know,
Yes,
ตอ
sir.
เต่า สระอา Ta. Ta is I. It could be I or it could be grandfather. Yeah. ตออาตา ตามานา mean grandfather come to the right field. Nah, what's it mean nah? What's it mean nah? Right field. Ma, what's it mean ma? Come. Ta.
Uncle.
Huh? Uncle. Ta, grandfather. Yes, grandfather. Grandfather come to the right field. Because he is a farmer. He is a agriculturist or farmer. Okay? He work on the farm. Okay? Tamana. Very good. Next. ให้อ่านว่า mean you need to read that. มออีมี มอม้า you see มอม้า here? มอม้า mean the horse. Consonant. Yeah. E. Yeah. E. Yeah. มอม้า พยัญชนะ or consonant. E. Vowel. Is a vowel. สระ E. Yeah. Me. You put together. You put consonant and vowel together. They stay together. They put together. Me. Mo e me. Yeah, me. Yes. Yeah. Me. D. T. Me. D. T. Mediti. Me. Has. Has. Yeah. Me is have. Have. D is good.
Good.
Good. Good. Good. D good. T. Hit. Hit. Or punish. Yeah. Punish. Yeah. You punish your son or youตี you hit your son. Okay. I forget your son name. Kian.
Yes, Ajahn.
Kian. Okay, Kian. Now he stay with you.
Actually, Ajahn,
Huh?
he is going to somewhere. His friend.
Okay. Okay, you read. Mediti. Read. Mediti. Yes. That's right. Mediti. Okay. Next. Can you read? Ta.
Yes, sir.
Di. Na. Na. Nadi. Tadi. Nadi.
Yes.
Tadi. Nadi. Ta mean grandfather
Grandfather.
or
Be
eyes.
good.
Yeah, good. He is good. Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Right field. D. Right field is good. Meaning.
Good.
Tadi. Nadi. Good. Okay, next. Mani. Ta eye. Meaning money has eye. Yeah, money mi ta. Next. Ta. Mi. Na. You say? You read. An. Send you an. An. Read. Yeah. You see? You see pointer? Good. Tamina. Grandfather has right field. Okay. Next. Yeah. Kamana. Ka mean the crow. The crow come to the right field. Right field. Yeah. The crow come to the right field. Kamana. Okay, good. Very good. Next. Ta. Ma. Na. Grandfather come to the right field. Tamana. Good. Next. Taminadi. Tamin. Grandfather. Grandfather has good right field. Yeah, right field. Good. Yeah, good. Very good. Next. Mana. Amana. Sorry. What's it mean? What's it mean?
Uncle.
Yes. Uncle come to the
Uncle come rice field.
right field. Okay, very good. Next. Unit 1 we finish. Finish mean จบ
Yes, sir.
จบ mean finish. เรียนจบ You have finished learning unit 1. We say
Okay.
คุณเรียนจบบทที่ 1. We move to unit 2. Okay. บทที่ 2. This is a Thai number? Yeah. Okay. We go back to unit 1. I want to draw the number, Thai number for you. You see the picture?
Yes.
Okay. This Thai number. You see?
Yes, Ajahn.
Thai
I
number
know.
you can do like this. You can draw the number. Number 1 easy. Number 2 this. Number 2 okay, I show you how to draw, how to write like this. Go. You see?
Go.
Again, I show again. You make the head like this. Okay
Yes อาจารย์
yes okay 2 บทที่2
บทที่2
บทที่2 chapter 2 lesson 2 unit
Chapter
2 yeah 2
Yes.
means 2 บทที่2
Yes อาจารย์
yeah go
บท
okay
ที่2
yeah okay มานะนามีงูนามีปู
อาจารย์ Okay
you see see the picture
No Yes อาจารย์
okay
Yeah Yes อาจารย์
อามีนานามีงู
มีนู
งูนามีปู
นามีปู
นามีปูกาดูปู
กาด
กาดูปู yes งูดูปู yeah มานีมานาอา yeah okay can you read I show you after you try okay
โอเคอาจารย์อามีนา
good
อามีนา
นา
อามีนู
นามีงู
นามีปู
นามีปู
กา
ดูปู
ดูปู
กาดูปู
ดูปู
yes
นูดูปู
yes
มานีมานาอา
good very good you have any question or I ask you some question
Yes อาจารย์
okay งู what's it mean งู this งู
งู
งู what's it mean งู
มู
งู snake
snake
in India many snake yeah in India many snake yeah next word ปู what's it mean ปู the crab you know crab is some people like to eat crab seafood crab C R A B crab the crab
CRAB crab
yeah crab okay easy word okay I read for you you listen okay another word explain do what's it mean do yeah do
watch see
yeah see or look at
look at
or see or watch but I think look at
watch
do
look at
yes look at yes okay I read for you you listen okay ผมพูด
okay
ผมอ่านsend you ฟังนะฟัง is a listen okay you listen I read okay อามีนานามีงู
นามีนู
yeah นามีปู
นามีปู
กาดูปู
กาดูปู
งูดูปู
นูดูปู
มานีมานาอา
มานีมานาอา
okay I give the meaning you listen okay
okay yes
uncle has the rifle has snake rifle has the crab the crow look at the crab snake look at the crab money come to uncle rifle yeah rifle uncle yes okay easy
easy
okay very easy okay we move to next page number 5 this number 5 okay page number 5
okay
barefoot
barefoot
yeah practice or exercise
Practice.
yeah
Exercise.
practice or exercise โอเคให้อ่านว่า do
ให้อ่าน
u
ว่า
do do u do do is a consonant
consonant,
u
do,
vowel
u,
vowel
vowel,
and put together
vowel.
put consonant and vowel together we say do what's it mean do
Do. Watch, look at.
look at watch or see or look at okay look at okay next you say you read easy
Do,
do
who,
long
no,
sound do
do,
ปู งู
no,
หู
who,
หู
who,
ลองสาวหู
who,
หู
who,
you know หู what's it mean ear part of your body ear near your mouth near your mouth near your mouth part of body we say หู ear the ear okay หู
ear,
หู
who,
แซนจูมีหูกี่
who,
มีกี่หูกี่ข้าง how many ear do you have
Sanjuki, Ukha,
ฮะหูสองข้าง หูสองมีสองหู มีสองหูโอเค ear หู หู
ear,
หู
who,
yes
who,
ดูปู งูหู
do,
ดู ดู
do,
ปู
who,
งู
no,
หู
who,
ดูปูงูหู
do, pu, no, who,
yeah do look at ปู the crab งู snake หู ear โอเค ดู
ear,
ปู งูหู โอเค next this ตา
ta,
มา
ma, pa,
ปลา
pa,
พา
ha,
พา พา
pa,
พา mean you take something or you take someone เวพา example you take your son to
Example?
school you take your son to
Okay.
school ไม่ใช่พาลูกไปโรงเรียน you take your son to
Oh,
school
pa.
พาลูก the son พาลูกไปโรงเรียนแซนจูไปไหนตอนเช้า ตอนเช้าพาไปไหน ไปไหนแซนจูพาลูกไปโรงเรียน
Padu, Romian.
ไปโรงเรียน พา mean take someone or take something okay พา take okay next ป้า what does it mean ป้า
Grandfather.
no this word you see I circle
Pipe.
ป้า meaning here throw away you know throw away something you don't like something you don't want to throw away they will say ป้า throw away you can throw away the stone you can throw away the coin okay something you don't want you throw away we say ป่า okay ป่า what's it mean throw away yes okay next นา
Na.
หา
Ha.
อา กา
Ka.
yes นา sorry นา
Ha.
หา long sound สระอาlong sound สระอู long sound yeah this long sound very long หา อา กา นา is a right field yeah หา you know หา looking for yeah looking for example looking for you find something you're looking for example you lose your money you are looking for your money yeah หา หาอะไร what are you looking for หาอะไร yes หา looking for uncle กา the crew
กา
okay
crew
นาหาอากา okay next
no
next what is
ตี
ตี long sound สระอี long sound ตี
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 มี
ตี ตี mean
ตี
ตี mean remember
ตี means hate
hit
someone
or punish punish
Yes.
or hit okay ตี next มี
มี
ปี
มี
ปี
ปี
D good ปี is a year you know year year what year what this year year mean
ปีอันนี้
ปี mean year ปีนี้ this year
year
ปีหน้า next year
this year
yeah this year ปีนี้นี้ is a this ปี mean year okay ตีมีปีดี okay we go back start again send you read
okay
yes
yes อาจารย์ D
yeah
do sorry do do
ดูปู
ปูนู
งู
หู
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 yeah the tone important if you
okay
say the right tone is good for you people understand you okay หู
หู
okay next
ตา
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 yes
มา
มา yes ป้า
ปา
yes
ผ้า
พา long sound พาพา okay good next
นา
นา
หา
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 อา
หา
อา
กา
กา
yes next
กาตี
ตี
มี
มี
ปี
ปี D okay I have some question you answer me okay
okay
หู what does it mean หู
ear
ear that good พา what does it mean พา
palm means take one something take one
take someone take something okay พา next
take some
okay that what is ปา what does it mean ปา
pa throw away
good very good next หา Yes.
looking for
yeah good very good ปี
ear
year yeah this year 2025
this year
yeah year
25.
yeah okay go and okay next sentence okay now before we study single word now
okay
we study more word they go together they
More
come
word.
together yeah they have more meaning long sentence
Yes, Ajahn.
okay can you read the same word repeat okay
yes Ajahn.
you read
can read
yeah send you อ่าน read okay อ่านเร็วอ่าน
okay
yes
ตาปู
ตาปู
ปู
ตาปู
นา
ปูนา
นา
yeah
หูตา
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 yes
ตีตาปู
ตีตาปู
ดี
ตา
ดี
ดูดี good
อาดีกา
อาดูกา
อาดูกาอาจารย์อาดูกา
อาดูกา okay next
อาดูกาตาดูนู
ตาดูงู
ตาดู
yeah
มามาหาตา
มาหาตา
ดูปูนา
ดูปูนา
หาปูนา
หาปูนา
นูมีตา
งูมีตา
มีปูนามา
มีปูนามา very good very good okay I read for you ผมอ่านเซนจูฟังนะ ฟัง mean listen okay ฟัง listen okay
listen yeah
Yeah.
สันจูฟังนะ
yeah ตาปู ปูนา หูตา ตีตาปู ดูดีดีอาดูกา ตาดูงู มาหาตา ดูปูนา หาปูนา งูมีตา มีปูนามา okay I tell you English meaning okay I tell you English ตาปู mean the eye of crab the eye of crab okay ปูนา is a rice field crab mean the crab live in the rice field okay we say rice field crab หูตา หู ear and eye ear and eye ตีตาปู ตีตาปู head the eye of crab ดูดีดี ดูดีดี mean look at carefully ดีดี mean goodดี mean goodดูดีดี it could be you look at something carefully be careful meaning be careful you pay attention okay ดูดีดี look at carefully okay อาดูกา uncle look at the crow ตาดูงู ตา is could be grandfather or it could be eyes okay but here I think the grandfather okay grandfather look at the snake มาหาตา come to meet grandfather หา sometimes mean come to see or come to meet okay มาหา sometimes mean come to see or come to meet ตา is grandfather come to see grandfather okay ดูปูนา
see grandfather
yeah one word they have more than one meaning okay depend on sentence depend on context yeah
okay
ดูปูนา look at the crab
Look
in
at
the rice field
that
yeah
rice field
yes หาปูนา หา meaning here is looking for or find yeah looking for the crab in the rice field งูมีตา the snake has eyes มีปูนามา yeah has crab
that
come
makam
in the rice field yeah in the rice field have the crab come to the rice field okay easy but the tone important you know Thai language tone if you say the right tone people understand you if you say the wrong tone people not understand you okay be careful tone important why you need to study with Thai people because many foreigner make the wrong tone okay because the meaning change go we finish unit 2 เรียนจบบทที่สอง you have finished learning unit 2 เรียนจบ mean you finish learning finish จบ mean finish จบจอจานบอใบไม้จบ mean finish okay จบ finish yeah we move to unit 3 okay 3 okay 3 Thai number okay I show you how to draw number 3 okay like this you start you make the circle make the head go up like this go down go up like this yeah easy yeah okay yeah บทที่สามchapter 3 yeah chapter 3
Can we
huh
can we start tomorrow? And someone Sophia maybe Cherry come.
Okay. Maybe tomorrow we
Right?
study.
Uh,
Okay, very
yes,
good.
yes.
Yeah, good.
Because someone is come.
Yeah. 3 o'clock. Oh, sorry, 9 o'clock.
Yes.
Sonia from Pakistan.
Nice.
3 o'clock
Yeah,
is
Pakistan.
high level. But you can listen.
Yes.
9 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Ajahn.
Today enough?
Because of uh,
Huh?
because of who is coming? Who
Shelly.
Cherry, yes.
Yeah,
Cherry is
Shelly.
not come.
Yeah.
That's why I told you. Cherry will come.
Yeah.
We can start again.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for
Okay.
learning.
Thank.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Ajahn.
Yeah. I stop now and about 10 minutes I upload this video to
Okay.
uh line or to YouTube. You
Okay.
can follow, you can
Review.
review.
Tukton.
Okay?
Huh.
Okay. See
Yes,
you.
Ajahn.
See you.
Tukton.
Yeah. See you.
Then Tukton now.
Yeah, see you. Now I stop.
See you.
Yeah, I stop
Okay.
recording. Stop.